Aaron hasn't run us off the cliff. Hopefully he won't.
It's okay. We can stop if you want on one of these turns and you get
that's up to you.
We get to an outside turn if I could. This is an inside turn. There should be an area somewhere. This is much better than that was.
Oh, you have...
I have a lot of idea. You see, you have no idea. Trust me, I have a large idea.
I know, I'm sorry. You're here as well. I know, I'm sorry. What do you think, Aaron?
Oh, this is good. You guys got to see these hills. They're just beautiful.
You can kind of see them through the window there. Road so far has been pretty good.
Gidget was about to find out the road would get a lot worse. It is closed off with a gate. It's a bat-friendly gate, and there's a big sign that says, you know, danger, stay out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to stick the GoPro inside it on a long stick and see if we can at least get some footage of this mine. I don't know anything about it. We'll see what this did and how long it was productive and what mine this is. Okay, this mine is got a sign that says to stay out. We're just going to shove the GoPro inside of it, see what we see. So I got a GoPro on a long stick. Hopefully you guys can see the sides of this. This is really cool. I don't even know if I'm getting any audio on this, but okay. And the stay out sign. That's as far as we can do on this one.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.
It says left at Owlhead.
From the looks of this cactus right here. right here where we are, we're kind of been at a crossroads. Look where we found. Hey, Master Girl, you were here. Here's the next. So this is